Hello everybody, my name is Victoria and in this video I will make the easiest and the simplest soap in the world. This is 100% coconut soap with zero superfat. This is a degreaser soap, so you can wash your dishes or you can do your laundry if you shred it. As you can see here, I poured water in a stainless steel pot. Then I measured lye and I mixed it together by pouring lye into water in my garage. It's cooler there and I will not inhale fumes. Then I partially melted my coconut oil and I measured the necessary amount, and now I will put it in the microwave and melt it completely. In the description for this video you can find a recipe for this soap, and the recipe is for 100 grams bar of soap. Personally, I love coconut oil and I use it in a variety of my Bath and Beauty products. And in soap in particular, I like it because it gives necessary hardness to the soap. It gives awesome like big bubbles. It also doesn't have a distinctive color like yellow, green, or brown, and so it doesn't interfere with the color of your soap if you decide to color it. This coconut oil melting point is 76 degrees. So in order not to get false trace, I need to work with it at the temperatures above 76 degrees. So I'm mixing my lye. It's at about dish 90 and my oil is 95. They're within 5 degrees of each other. Also, you can see these tiny white dots on the top of my lye. Usually it happens when the temperature the lye is cooling down at is low or very low, and the temperature in my garage is low. Here I just got rid of it, but don't get disencouraged or disappointed if you don't do that. It's not a big deal really. Just a note, pure coconut soap doesn't come to the trace easily or fast, especially if it's unscented, and this particular soap is unscented. If you make this particular soap, there are two ways. One way is you can continue use your blender, and as you can see it's still kind of runny, and you can blend for about a minute or two and then pour it in your forms, or you can blend it, then let it sit, and then blend again and let it sit, and do it until it start becoming a little bit thicker, and then pour it in your forms. When this soap is done and it's hard, there is basically no way you can cut it. You can, but it will crumble, and you don't want it, especially if you do it for sale. That's why I use this particular mold, and it's really convenient. I don't have to watch this soap. I can make it and forget about it. But if I use big mold slab like, then I have to watch, and as soon as this soap starts hardening I need to cut it. Otherwise, like I said, it will be crumbly and impossible to cut. As you can see, after using blender for a while, this soap butter is still kind of runny, though it's thicker than it used to be, and I will pour it. But as I have mentioned, you can continue blending and make it even thicker. Also, I like using these molds, and I will release my soap from the mold in about 24 hours, and I will use it for my dishes and also as a laundry detergent. Also, when I use this soap, I do not wear gloves. I just apply butter or lotion, something to my hands after all. And if you like this video, please subscribe and please help me to grow my channel. Thank you for watching.